Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel on the menu today. And as you can see right there, very beautiful and very simple. We're going to make a spinach cream pasta. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. And it's very few ingredients. It's really delicious, this one. So, look, I've got some fresh spinach there. If you want, you could use frozen spinach. It's not bad. Canned spinach is not so good. Fresh is great. If you're going to use fresh like me, give it a wash in some water, nice cold water, because you get little bits of stone, grit and dirt in there. I've just chopped it up roughly. Pasta of your choice. I'm using this fusilli. Anything goes. 1 onion, chopped nice and small. Nice tablespoonful of garlic. A couple of tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. 2 teaspoons, just roughly 2 teaspoons there of dried oregano, and here I've got 200 ml of cream. Now I always get lots of questions about this. I'm using a thick cream, as you can see, or what we call in the UK double. It won't matter if it's runny, thin or thick, it's all going to work out the same. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, bit of salt and pepper, super easy and of course delicious. Okay, got my pan here, got some olive oil in there. Let's start off by dropping in that onion, nice and small, I've cut my one, and that garlic, generous amount, like I say, a teaspoon, maybe a heaped teaspoon actually, of garlic. While we're here, let's get a little bit of salt in the mix. Let's get some black pepper. And then what we're gonna do is we're on an above medium heat, simply 3 to 4 minutes, moving it all the time. And we're ready for the next step. This is so easy and so delicious. So those onions and garlic are just softening really beautifully. Let's drop in that couple of teaspoons of dried oregano. And if you wanted, you could go in a different direction. Take away the oregano, get some thyme in there, basil, up to you. Okay, now time for our spinach. In that goes. And like I say, if you're going to use fresh, always give it a nice wash. Otherwise you're going to get that gritty, nasty flavour. I've roughly chopped it, got some kind of stalk stuff in there as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to cook this for about another 4 to 5 minutes on this same heat. Obviously what's going to happen is it's going to reduce down, give off moisture, and then we're ready for the next step. About 5 minutes, keep it moving. And look at that. That spinach has kind of reduced down to nothing, hasn't it? But it looks really beautiful. Very simply, we're going to get our cream in. Like I said, I'm using like 200 ml of a thick cream. You can use a thin cream if you want. It will make no difference. To that, I'm going to drop in that beautiful grated fresh Parmesan. We're going to give this a little mix. With the heat still on, we're now going to drop in our pasta. I'm using this fusilli. You could use something different if you wanted. About 3 more minutes. Let's just incorporate the lovely sauce, the spinach, the garlic, the onions on to our pasta. Beautiful. I'll see you at the table in about 3-4 minutes max. Okay, and there you go. Look at that. So easy. So beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up. Do leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.